Gigabit Ethernet cable. This slim CAT6 cable meets all Category 6 patch cable specifications to deliver a reliable connection in high-density data center applications. Easy cable runs. Designed 36% thinner than standard networking cables, this slim UTP patch cord provides better airflow and heat dissipation in tight spaces, making cable runs easier in a crowded network rack. Snagless CAT6 connectors. The snagless connectors on the CAT6 network cable protect the RJ45 clips from snags and breaks during installations. Protect your equipment. This Category 6 patch cable has a low smoke zero halogen (LSCH) fire rating, ensuring a safe connection. The 50-micron gold connectors deliver optimum conductivity and eliminate signal loss. High-quality construction. Built with high-quality copper conductors, the CAT6 cable is built with 28 Aruban fluorines copper wire and is tested to keep near-end crosstalk, well within acceptable limits. Top reviews from the United States. A little expensive for an Ethernet patch cable, but when it's what you need, just grit your teeth and pay the piper. I needed slim cables for Ethernet, HDMI, and coax, which I haven't found in a 6-foot length yet, to fit through the cramped cable management channel in the leg of my TV. This cable fit the bill, and the channel, quite nicely. Quite happy with it.